Hey gang, welcome back to OPA'S Diecast Restoration. Today we got the Hot Wheels Teetotaler. I got this one from my daughter-in-law. It's in really rough condition with the broken front section of the roof, missing the doors on the back. Decals are all gone and it's really chipped up. So let's have some fun. You know you will. By the way, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, I see a lot of people are watching my videos. Hit that subscribe button. I'd already pre-drilled and tapped this one. I just hadn't taken it apart yet. Found out the doors were actually part of the interior, but I didn't have the money to replace it if it's even available, so I made my own. Get it into our stripper. Shake it, don't break it. The motor was the only other metal piece on it, so I dropped it in the lima way to get rid of a little bit of the corrosion and then get it polished up. Here's after the stripper. You see where the roof is broken off. Somebody stepped on it or something. There's the missing doors. So I glued a piece of styrene on it and filled in the gap with more CA glue, putting on a little baking soda. Then I covered the inside and the outside with the JB weld. We got it sanded down. There's our new doors on the back. Scrubbing up the interior. Really dirty. You can see there that I have to replace the steering wheel. So I decided to make a new one of those myself also. Use the paper clip and my round nose pliers, jeweler pliers. Made a little circle. Made a little tube, glued it to the tube, slid it over what was left of the steering column. Get our primer on here. Getting our axle tubes cut and bored out a little bit, cleared out I should say. CA glue. I'd already had filed out the slot a little bit. Now you're putting in the front one. I also had to make the little fuel cells on either side of it. They were part of the base. Here's our paint going on. I used a nice glossy black lacquer. Getting ready to put the decals on. Nobody carried the decals for this, so I went to our friends at Black Square Decals in England, and once again they came through for me. Here's all the pieces ready for reassembly. This is what we started with, 1976 Hot Wheels teetotaler. Rough condition, broken roof, missing fuel cells, missing rear doors. Here's what we ended up with. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, I'd greatly appreciate you hitting that subscribe button. I realized I hadn't touched up the black on the steering wheel. I went back and did that later. For now, this is OPA and the Hot Wheels teetotaler saying goodbye.